Alright, welcome to our tutorial on HP tuners tire size calibration for the new F-Series trucks. New being this truck we're working on is actually a 2013, but HP Tuners has added all the 5.0 liter and 6.2 liter gasoline trucks, as well as some V6 applications to their supported vehicles group. And we are still wading through the ins and outs of how to calibrate things with the new trucks with HP tuners. And one of the things that we had to figure out was how to correctly program tire size to correctly calibrate the speedometer. And what we have here is, you can see in the green, these are areas I've already worked on. I'm going to show you real quick what you're going to need to do. So when you click on your file and open up the speedometer, which is right here, when you click on that, then it opens up here. Then you're going to want to look at the use tire circumference. Make sure that's enabled. And see, this one was disabled, and I had to enable it. After enabling it, I went in here, and this was in millimeters. You can click on, in the beta software, you can actually click on the unit of measurement here, and it will change. And it was on millimeters when I first looked at the file. And I clicked on it one time. Let me go again. One time, and it went to inches. So if you'll notice, it's circumference, not diameter. This truck's running 37-inch tires. And what we did, though, is measure the tire with a tape measure. And when we measure the tire, we got 35.75, so 35 3/4 inches. And so what we did was we went to a calculator, because we're using circumference, changes everything. So we went to circumference. We went to 35.75 inch tire, 35.75 times pi. And that's where we got this number, 112.25. So I took that number, 112.25, and inserted it in the driven tire circumference. I also put that in the max tire circumference. This minimum tire circumference, I'm unsure of how it works into the equation, but I noticed it was really close on the stock file to the other number, so I just raised it up to just one inch less than the driven tire circumference and the max tire circumference. And after doing that, I test drove the vehicle, checked it with a GPS, and it was dead on. Before I did this enable here, I tried it with just when it was still disabled. I didn't realize that I had left it that way, and it would not change the speedometer. So you have to go to enabled here in order for these units, these reference points, to be utilized. So anyway, Jason Madden from Mad Tunes Racing, trying to help you guys out there that are tuning your own trucks. And hey, good luck to you, and give us a call or an email. And if there's anything you can add to this video, and positive comments, go ahead and do so. There might be a point that I didn't bring out here, but all I can tell you for sure is this definitely worked on the application we were tuning, and the truck was able to have the speedometer read correctly with the 37-inch tires that he had. Our website's madtunesracing.com, and our store number is 318-490-2017. Hey, thanks guys.